Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you cucumber and lemon whitening the skin tone naturally and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin from first use. If you do have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, black spots, any kind of dark spots on your skin, this magical remedy will work for you 100%. It whitening the skin tone, it gets you rid of dark circles and any kind of skin related problems. All you need to do is apply it at night and go to sleep. In the next morning you'll be amazed with the result. It also vanish wrinkles and fine lines and will get you an amazing results, my friends, from first use. But before we start out, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need is 1 cucumber, medium sized cucumber, and wash it very well. Then we need a grate, food processor or a grate, and grate it like so. Once we grate the cucumber and we get this, we need a clean mixing bowl and a food strainer or a set, and place the cucumber in it like so. Cucumber, guys, one of the most effective ingredient in skin whitening and brightening skin naturally. It has natural ingredients and natural vitamins and minerals that lighten the skin tone naturally and remove dark circles, black spots and dark spots naturally, my friends. After we strain it like so, we get the fresh cucumber juice, and we need around 3 teaspoons of cucumber juice like that. Now my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and if you do have oily skin you can skip the olive oil. You can use also coconut oil instead, but in that remedy I prefer to use olive oil. Then we need half a lemon, so get 1 lemon and cut it in half like so, and add just 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon is high in vitamin C and will get you an amazing result in whitening skin tone. Now mix well all the ingredients. Now how to apply it? With an aid of cotton ball, dip in a cotton ball into the remedy like so, and on your skin apply generous amount like that. Apply it on your face before you sleep. Massage the skin with it and leave it overnight. In the next morning you'll be amazed with the result. Glowing skin from first use. You will notice that your skin is glowing and it's super effective in brightening dark circles, black spots, dark spots, and will even tone your skin. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.